We'll see second example in page replacement algorithm. Consider the question. Consider following sequence 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a reference string given. How many page faults occur with 4 page frames in FIFO, Optimal and LRU? And please do observe that the question they have mentioned 4 page faults. So in previous question we have solved for 3 page. Now he has given 4 pages. Okay. So we'll see. We need to solve all 3 algorithms. First, let us solve for FIFO. I have written the reference string with enough spaces. So for the first 4 slots, since it is a 4 page frames, you need to take 4 boxes. Okay. So here you can fill the first element 1. So until you fill all the boxes, that is a frames, no need of applying any algorithm. So next element 2 I am going to fill. Since it is a 4 frames, I am taking 4 boxes. Same as 3 frames, only thing one extra you need to add. So fill out 1, 2, next 3. For each step you need to fill one value. So 1, 2, 3 and then 4 now. Okay. Next the coming number is 1, which is already in the frame slot. I am not going to consider this one. And then next coming element is 2, which is also in the frame slot. Don't consider this also. Next is 5. It's not in a frame. Okay. So I'm going to consider this one. So the place which I'm going to consider to replace, since it is a FIFO, you need to consider first come. Okay. First out. First come element is 1. I'm going to replace in place of 1. And remaining elements 2, 3, 4 as it is you can write. So again 1 is not in frame. So we need to insert. Write the box under it. So select the place for the replacement. So next inserted value after 1 is 2. So you can just see 1 we have inserted first, then we have inserted 2. So replace with 2. Remaining copy as it is. So 2 also we need. You can insert that. So consider the place of 3 which is inserted next to 2. So 2, 4. Next we need to insert 3. The place we need to select is 4. 3. Then as it is copy the remaining elements. Next 4 we need to insert. So which place we need to select? 5. So 4 is replaced with 5 and remaining as it is. Then 5 I need to insert. So which one to consider? 1. After 5 we inserted 1. So 4. 1 is replaced with 5 and 2, 3 retained as it is. So the number of page fault 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 page faults for FIFO algorithm. Next we'll see for optimal. So again for optimal, first 4 frames, there is no need of applying the algorithm. Just fill out. First I'm going to enter 1. Then you can insert 2, Next, third element 1, 2, then 3. Next is a fourth element 1, 2, 3, 4. So after filling out the frames, you need to apply algorithm now. So 1 already in the frame, I don't want this one. 2 is also there, I don't want this one. I need 5. So you write box under this number, and optimal you need to search in forward direction, right side. Okay, so towards the right of this element 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, it is here itself, we cannot replace 1. 2 next to 1, we cannot replace. 3 next to, and 4. So 4 is the last element, so I am going to replace 4. And remaining copy as it is. Okay, so next element I need to insert is 1, but it's already in frame, so no need. Again 2, it's already there, no need. 3 also there, no need. We need 5 here, sorry 4 we need it, so I'm writing box. Whom to consider? So 1, 2, 3, 5. 5 it's there in the list, but 1, 2, 3 it's not at all there. So I'm going to consider first element, that is 1, to replace the 4. Remaining I'm going to keep it as it is. 5 I don't want. Okay, so 5 it was there in the list. I was not able to replace 5. And 1, 2, 3 was not at all there in the list. So I have chosen first in, that is 1. So I have replaced with 1 and got a 4 there. So the page fault is 6 page faults. Let us solve for LRU. Okay. As usual, you can follow first 4 steps. No algorithms. Directly filling the elements one by one. 3 slots means first 3 slots. 4 frames means first 4 frames. 5 frames means first 5 frames. No algorithms, like that. So up to 4th slot, just filling the elements one by one. Then start applying algorithm. So for LRU, you need to search in left side. Before that, 1 it's in list, no need. 2 is also in list, no need. 5 we want, so I'm writing a box under this one. Whom to consider here? So you search towards the left of the element. Okay, so 2 it's here itself, 1 also here, then 4 here, and 3 is the last compared to 1, 2, 3, 4. So last coming element 3. So that's why not coming, the last recently used. Okay, that you can tell. So 3 you can replace and write 5 and 4. So next 1 is there, no need. 2 is there, no need. 3 we want it. Okay, so to replace now, so 2 here itself, and 1 is also there, 5 is there, 4 it is there here, so at the last, so I am replacing with 4. Again I want 4, it's not in list. Whom to consider? 3 here itself, 2 here, 1 here, 5 is the last one compared to 1, 2, 3, 5, 3. So here 5 is the last one to be used. So replace with 5. 1, 2, 4, 3. Again we want 5. So again whom to replace here? 4 here itself. 3 here and 2 here. 1 is the last one. Okay, compared to 1, 2, 3, 4, which is there in frame, 1 is the last one. So consider 1. 5, 2, 4, 3. Okay, so the number of page fault is 8. You can count it. So 8 page faults. So this is the complete problem. You can observe optimal should get least number of page fault in all the reference string. ಯಾವ reference string ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು ನಿಮಗೆ optimal ತುಂಬ least ಬರಬೇಕು. Okay, so that completes the problem.